Hello everybody, this is George from Georgia. Welcome to my cooking show. I'm going to show you how to bake a very famous Georgian dish called acharuli khachapuri. Everyone loves it, so will you. Making this is very easy. You start by taking an enriched sourdough dough ball and pressing it out into an oval or a boat shape. Roll out a couple of cheese logs using the cheese and place them on the outer edges of the crust. Now gently roll the crust over the cheese logs and seal it in on the bottom and on the top. Give the outer edges a nice pinch and transfer it over onto a sheet tray lined with parchment paper. Once you've given it a nice shape, it's time to load up that boat with another heaping handful of cheese. You're going to let it sail in a super hot oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's just golden brown. Create a little dent in the middle of the cheese and place a room temperature egg yolk in the middle of that. You can use a knife and a fork if you want, but I like to use the crust. Mix it around, let it sit for a moment, and enjoy.